Good morning. It is Tuesday, the 13th. We are in Lamar, Missouri. We're going to make a pit stop at the terminal. I got to get my cab card and NIFTA stickers. And then we're headed to Red Oak, Iowa, and then to Lincoln. So, if you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Hope you're enjoying the content. If I could have you all do me a favor, please hit that like and share button and subscribe and the notification bell. That would sure help support the channel. Like I said, I'm turning this more into a business instead of a hobby, and that would be greatly appreciated. So, after all that being said, I got an issue with the truck. It's leaking coolant, but it's not leaking it a lot. I'm suspecting that it's blowing it out as I'm climbing a grade, because it only seems to do it every so often. I'll get you guys a picture of it later on, but it like blows it damn near to the firewall. So definitely got something going on there. The level has dropped down to cold minimum, so I'm probably gonna have to go out and get some coolant and top it back off. But for the most part, it's not doing too bad. But I need to keep an eye on it. I might put it in the shop when I go home. Say, hey, could you please check this out? It's still ongoing, because I thought it was like just a one-time thing, but no, but this time it's not doing it as bad. So we'll see, but I'll keep an eye on it. If I can make it last till I go home, great. If not, if I think I need to, make it go more, then I'll head home early. So, but with that being said, I hope everybody's having a great day, and I'm going to go and get some breakfast. So, yep. Bye. It's not perfect, but that's our new IFTA stickers. And I got the new cab card and everything else, and some new permits. So let's go to Red Oak. And there's Frankie. Hi, boy. How you doing, Frankie? You gonna talk for everybody? No, I'm not gonna talk. I'm gonna judge everybody. You look like you're judging everybody. Alrighty. We are leaving the terminal for Red Oak. We stopped to pick up some supplies, our IFTA, our new cab card. I'll call you right back, babe. So now we're just leaving. Another old international of ours over there. Alright. Frankie, there's nothing to bark at. What are you barking about? Get as close as we possibly can. I don't even have to actually touch it. I just get it in proximity. I kind of like that. If I can get out before for that car than I bought my truck at, is at this terminal. When I bought it, I had to come down to this Freightliner on the corner and buy some new keys for it because this shop's key machine was not doing it right. So yeah, so you had to jiggle it to get it to work. I said, fuck that, I don't want to do that. That is not a left turning lane. Why do we have way more traffic coming down this fucking stretch? About an oldie. like doing button. Alright, we are here. I'm gonna go ahead and put in my arrival and then tell them I'm here. Alrighty, now we're gonna back into the door. Do a little bit of blind side. This is where those side cameras. Alright, here. Look at that. We're just a little, no, actually I think I'm perfect. I'm perfect. When you're good, you're good. All right. Well, we got our load picked up. It's 9 o'clock. Actually, it's 10 o'clock. And we're about 1,261 miles out from Savannah, Georgia. We had about 2 hours on the clock when we got here. Had to wait at the customer because apparently they went on break at 12:40 or 12:25, and by the time I got the trailer hooked up and everything and stuff, I had to wait until after 8 to get out, and then came over to the yard, and now we're taking a break. So I hope you enjoyed the animations and everything, and like always, if you like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification to help support the channel. And we'll see you tomorrow. As I said in my previous short, we are having some technical delays. Might have to look into a router or something. But with that being said, if you need a job, call Crete Carrier and tell them Rich sent you, 4220, and driver code HORRI. Thanks, and have a, oh yeah, can't forget about Frankie. Frankie, hi boy, hi Frankie. Yep, he's like, nope, I'm done. And we are here at the yard at Corporate in Lincoln, Nebraska. Yep. Night.